morning, students. I hope you all are fine. In yesterday's class, Unit 1, who did Patrick's homework, we went through the first 5 paragraphs. And I hope the work of the hard words which I had given to you, you must have completed. See, you know the Patrick was a lazy boy. He didn't like to do his homework. So, he had to take the help of an elf. So, in order to do all your homework in last time, better we do our classwork daily. Clear? So, I shall read the line by line and your finger must be on the point where I am reading. Clear? Okay. And I hope during the English lecture and English grammar lecture, I want you to sit with your textbook, your notebook, pen, pencil, anything you needed it. Okay? So, in the fifth paragraph, it is said, the elf needed help in all subjects. Actually, the tiniest size man was an imagination of Patrick. The tiniest size man was an imagination of Patrick. Clear? And he wanted help in all subjects because we also can imagine that the elf would not know any of the subject. So, he needed help in all subjects. Let's go through the paragraph in the textbook. And true to his word, I just read the fifth paragraph for you. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework. And true to his word, the little man began to do Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Help me, he had said. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. So, Patrick had to help a tiniest size man in all the way. I don't know this word. The elf squeezed while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No, what's even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. So, my dear students, if you do not know to read, sounding out each word by letter. So, it will be easy for you to learn to speak also. You will understand the meaning of the word and you will learn how to read in English, those who are not able to read. Clear? When it came to the maths, when the elf came in the maths subject, Patrick was out of luck. What are times tables? The elf shrieked. What is the meaning of shrieked? Shrieked means gave a short, high-pitched cry. The Patrick gave a short, high-pitched cry. We elves never need that. Means we don't know and we never need any mathematics in our life. We need any mathematics in our life. And addition, subtraction and division and fraction. So in all 4 days he needed the help of a Patrick. The elf needed help of Patrick in order to complete his homework in maths, especially in addition, subtraction, division and fraction. Here, sit down beside me, you simply must guide me. Who said this? The elf said to Patrick, you just sit down beside me, you must guide me in all these subjects. Else know nothing of human history. Even tiniest size man did not know any of the thing in human history. He never knew anything in human history again. So again he needed the help of. So especially in 3 subjects he needed help. Which are the 3 subjects? First in English, second in maths, and third in human history. Third in human history. The most of in these 3 subjects the elf needed the help of a Patrick. The elf needed help of a Patrick. So the little elf already a shouter just got louder with a loud voice, with anger. Actually we saw in the further paragraph, actually the elf granted the wish of the Patrick, but he was not happy to complete his homework. He was not happy to complete his homework. So while doing the homework, whenever he needed the help of Patrick, he used to shout and say the louder, okay? Go to the library, I need books. So elf said with loud voice to Patrick that you must go to the library and find the books, bring here and consult with the books and help me to complete the work. I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. So anyway Patrick had to read the books. Here he went, brought the books from the library. He went through the books and he helped by reading it, he helped the elf to complete his homework. So from this sentence itself, we understand that Patrick, who read the books for the elf, who helped in maths, divisions, additions, subtraction and fraction, it was out of luck that Patrick was knowing this. So he helped in this, and also he found out the difficult words from the dictionary. So that also he learned how to do it. So all 3 subjects now it is read by Patrick. So it was easy for him to learn, and he helped the elf. As a matter of fact, every day, in every way, the little elf was nag. Nag means one who tortures somebody every time. Now and then torturing somebody now and then. Patrick was working harder than ever and was it a drag. He was pulling the days, helping the elf to complete the work. He was just pulling the days without sleeping day and night. He was going through the books to help elf to complete his homework. Okay, with the sleepy eyes, the Patrick was going to school. My dear children, I hope it must never happen for you, because no elf will come and help you to complete your homework. It is you yourself has to complete your work. Was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. Finally, the last day of the school arrived. Finally, the last day of the school arrived, and the elf was free to go. And elf was very happy because it was the last day of the school and he had completed helping the Patrick. He had completed the work and he also was very happy. But some or the other way, the Patrick was not satisfied and not that happy that whatever homework he has done with the help of elf, whether that is right or not. What will happen for him? As for homework, there was no more. So he quietly and silently slipped out of the back door. To the back door, the elf went out from the Patrick's house. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. So Patrick got A's in the class. All were amazed. The Patrick had developed a new attitude. So Patrick had developed a new attitude and all were happy for the Patrick. Okay, his teachers smiled and were full of praise. His teachers were smiling at him. They were praising him for new change which Patrick had got in his life. And his parents, what about his parents? They wondered what happened to Patrick. His parents never thought this change will take place in life of Patrick. So they too were wondering what happened in Patrick's life. We told many times, but he did not change. But now he has got a good result. So they also wondered. He was now a model kid. The Patrick became the model kid for all. It is not like that if you don't do your homework and with the help of somebody complete your homework and you get this good score, you become a model kid. Okay? But while doing all your work in a proper way, we should have punctuality in our life. We should have a timetable in our life. Then we will get appreciation from our teachers, our parents, our friends, our classmates. We'll have good friends too who will help us to do all our work in proper time. Clean his room. He never used to clean his room. But after this, he got A's. He started to clean his room. Keep all his things in a proper way. So together with Patrick, like Patrick got a change in his life, I advise you to take a lesson in your life to do your homework daily and keep your things in a proper place. Was cheerful. So now he was very happy. No sir, before he used to get angry, he used to be sad. Not sad, he used to do whatever he used to like. He used to shout at others when others advised him. But now he was a very cheerful person. Never he was rude with others. Okay? Never he had a rude behavior with others. Like he had developed a new whole attitude. New whole attitude means he had changed his life totally. Now he had become a new person. If I say he reborn himself, means he took a new birth. By changing his life, he took a new birth and started to do all his work by himself. You see in the end, so in the end we see that. In the end we say that it was Patrick himself who completed homework. Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man to do this. Still, the Patrick was thinking the tiny man who has completed his homework. But according to me, according to the writer, and I think according to you also, it is Patrick who completed his homework. I will share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't elf. Patrick had done it himself. So it was a Patrick himself who completed his homework. It was a Patrick himself who completed his homework. So, dear students, from this lesson, and it is a beautiful, at the beginning of the new year in a new standard as you have come, it is such a beautiful lesson for you. First lesson is just a good example for you that the whole year you should do your work every day, your class work, your homework you must complete at time. So at the end of the semester you won't have any problem and you will get a good results too. Because sometimes we think we don't have marks, homework, but notebooks, if your notebooks are neat and tidy, it is written clearly with a beautiful handwriting, that also has a marks. Clear? So like yesterday, you written the hard words of the first 5 paragraph. Today also from the on the left right side there are hard words that you are supposed to write, and today you have to read the whole chapter, read it twice, understand it and take some lesson from it in your life. Have a good day. Thank you.